Hi everybody, welcome to NJ Graphics BLR channel. So basically this channel is for those students and professionals who wants to enhance their skills in Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop and various graphics design softwares like CorelDRAW InDesign also. So the reason behind creating this channel is to train those students in a very simple and easy methods and easy techniques from the basic level to the advanced level in a very less time and with the quality outputs. So you can subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for your regular updates. I will be your mentor, your host, your tutor to train you, to guide you on various topics in Illustrator, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, InDesign, and based on your demands, based on your requirements, we will carry forward about various topics. For any doubts, any questions, any clarification, write down in the comment section. We'll be getting a reply as soon as possible. Thank you. See you soon in the next video.